Hi, Lucy Ross here. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a blog post to a WordPress website. First thing we need to do is go to the website. In this case this is one of my customers, Keith's website, and we're going to go WP admin because all WordPress sites that's the extra extension you put on the end to log in. So in this case we're going to add the words WP admin to the end, and you'll have the login details for your own blog if you're going to be able to do this, and then you'll put in the username and the password and press log in. From there it's going to go and log in, and that's when we can add our blog. Then you'll come to the dashboard. When you want to use WordPress, all of the different places or things you can look at are generally along here. So if you wanted to add a page, you'd come here to pages and press add new, and if you wanted to add a post, you'd go to posts and press add new. So we're going to click on posts and then click on add new, and we're going to come in here and give our post a title. Now this is going to be the bit that you see in the blog section of the website, so that would be on this page here where all the blog posts show up, or it would be if the blog posts are on the homepage, it would be here. So it's going to be this title, the title that you're putting in, the thing they see as the name of the post or the article. Think of it as a headline. So we're going to put in here how to add a blog post, and then in here is where you put the words. I'm just going to type a few things in here. Once you've posted some words in there, you can format it and add headings by using the buttons up here. You can add bullet points, you can make things bold, you can change the color of the text, and if you'd like to add any images, you can click images in there and insert an image, and if you want to make sure you've got it in a certain size, you can click on the little pencil, so here on the little edit pencil, and alter its size or drag it to make it the size you want. And categories are sort of like the theme or the topic. I've just got photos Christchurch because that's relevant to the business, but it could be a theme on marketing in this case because it's about blogging if that's what your business was about, or it could be about health if you have, you know, a health and beauty blog. Now I use a plugin called Yoast Seo, and that's normally where I would put the keyword that I want to appear in Google. So how to add a blog in WordPress, and give it a headline. This is what you actually want to appear in Google, and then the little blurb you want to appear in Google. So this would be the search result. And that would just be a little blurb about what it's about. And in here, if we want to post it to Facebook, we can also add the image that we want to show up on Facebook and give it some titles to say this. So I'm just going to copy that in there, more on our blog. Cool. That's what would show up in the little blurb on Facebook. That's what would show up on Twitter, and you can also get that image showing up on Twitter. And then we're going to come over here and say, okay, well, when do we want this to be published? And if we want it to get published now, we'll press publish and it'll show up. Or maybe we want this to happen next week. We could put the date in there and press OK, and then it will schedule it. But I'm happy for that to get published today, so I'm just going to click publish now, and then we can go and view that post on the website and see what it looks like. And there you can see my little post. And one other thing to note, if you wanted a feature image to appear beside that post, so you see how we've got some nice images there. If you wanted an image that represents that blog, there's one step that I've just forgotten to show you, and that's just down here where it says feature image. we're going to select an image and set it as a feature image, and then update it, and that'll just make sure we have a nice and pretty picture there for you guys to look at. And that's how easy it is. And we're also going to see that on the home page there under news. You can see it appearing just down here. Cool. And awesome. This is Lucy from ecommercemarketing.co.nz. If you need a conversion optimized business website, you should definitely give us a look. And this was how to add a blog post to your WordPress website. Talk to you next time.